Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube with myself, Graham Lee, and this is a little advert really, just to tell you a couple of things. I do run the Balloon Forum, which is balloonchat.co.uk. Over there there's over 120 step-by-step tutorials if you'd like to have a look. We've got all the tutorials up on BalloonTube to have a look at. And if you are in the UK and would like to purchase some balloons, we do have an online shop, which is balloonartwholesale.co.uk. Hopefully that'll be coming up here, and hopefully Balloon Chat's come up as well for the details there. And if you would like to support us a little bit, that would be very much appreciated to keep the BalloonTube running, and also to keep Balloon Chat online as well. And so I've signed up to buy me a coffee /myballoonart. And there you can, if you wish, buy us a coffee or two, and it helps us to keep the tutorials going. So that's the end of the advert, and here we go with the main feature for this month. So it's bye from me, cheerio, here comes the main feature. Quick Graham, get out of it, bye. Welcome along to BalloonTube, and today we're going to do the lizard. Here he is, alright. On this version, I've done his feet with separate bubbles, and I've put two lots of bubbles down the back, and I'm just showing you the slightly easier version. And for this one, it's just fold twists for the feet, and he's only got one lot of bubbles down the back. So, all right. So hopefully from I'm going to show you the more complicated one, but if you wanted to do the simpler one with the feet, you just fold twists. Alright, so put those down there. We start off with a 260 and leave 6 fingers uninflated. Alright, you need a small 1 finger bubble, and then you need 2 squeeze the air, about 2.5 finger fold twist. So oh, that's a bit big. There you go. So about a 2.5 finger fold twist there. Squeeze the air, have another one, about the same size. There you go. So you've got your 1 finger bubble and 2.5 finger fold twists. Squeeze the air along a little bit. You need a 3 finger bubble and a 1.5 finger bubble that you're going to pinch twist. Alright, and oh, in case I forget, if you could hit the subscribe button and tell a few people about BalloonTube, it would be very much appreciated. Thanks. So a 3 finger bubble, 1.5 finger bubble, twist this one to this one, and then squeeze the air, and you need a 5 finger bubble, and the 5 finger bubble goes around the 2 fold twists. And squeeze the air along, and you're going to go around the top here, over the top of the pinch twist, so that's going to be underneath, alright, and make it nice and snug. So just pull this around, like so. And then when you'll get back to the fold twist, wrap that round a couple of times. So it looks a little bit like this, and the pinch twist is here, which is going to hold his tongue in place in a little while. You now need a 6 finger bubble, so 6 finger bubble, a 1.5 finger bubble that we're going to pinch twist. Twist this one to here. And then you need your last 6 finger bubble. Alright, well, a little bit tight there, so hang on, let's deflate that before I put my last 6 finger bubble in. There you go, see, scissors, semi-professional. And, oh yeah, I did let that out there. I wasn't sure if I'd made enough. Can I do that right? A little bit more in. There you go. And then wrap that around your 2 fold twists. And that's all you need on that 260. Alright. Yeah, the air out. I'm going to tie that up just in case. We're going for safety. There we go. That should look a little bit like this. Don't know like that. Right, now then we're going to do his feet. Alright, so for this one you need 4 fingers. Well, I've probably got 5 actually. I've got 5. Let's see how we get on with 5 fingers uninflated. So you do 2 1 finger pinch twists. So do your 2 1 finger bubbles. The knot goes around the second twist, and then take the knot over the top. Right. You then You need a 4-finger bubble, squeeze the air, 4-finger bubble, and about a 2.5-finger bubble. And then that twist goes around your 2 pinch twists. Right. Wrap that around the pinch twist a couple of times, make sure it's nice and secure. You then need a 3-finger bubble, and then a 1.5-finger bubble, which we're going to pinch twist. So hold this one will fold into there. Another 3-finger bubble, 2 1-finger bubbles, which you're going to pinch twist for his other foot. Twist these 2 together. Yeah, 160 goes over the top, and then you need your 4-finger and 2.5-finger bubble. The 2.5 goes back to the pinch twist. Wrap that around a couple of times. Now the rest of this balloon is going to be the towel. So we have to split this off. So I know you shouldn't use your teeth, all right? And if you want to make it a long towel or a short towel, it's up to you. I'm going to let a little bit of air out because I want to put 2 pinch twists on this first, because I think 3 pinch twists at the back of the lizard, the towel sits nicer. All right. So once you've made your feet up, just tie that last bit in a knot so it won't come undone. Wrap it around, and if you want to get your scissors and tie it up, it's always a good time to do it. I think I've done the other end, that's all right. So that's one, his front legs. And for his towel, because we've got some ridges there, you can just go like this and it just smooths them out a little bit. All right, and you need a 1-finger bubble, another 1-finger bubble, put the knot around the second one, and then go over the top. All right, and then this is going to go round. Your pinch twist at the back. Just wrap that around, go around a couple of times, because you do want the towel to be nice and quite a firmish towel, all right, because we are going to try and shape it a little bit. So right, in fact we might as well do that now. So what we do, you can see I've planned this. We just turn this in on itself, start to make a circle, and then I just gently squeeze the outer section. So move it around a little bit, squeeze the outer section, move it around, squeeze the outer section, move it around a little bit, squeeze the outer section, move it around for the last time, and squeeze just the outer section. There we go, and then let go, and you end up with it. Looking a little bit, you can just slightly, so you end up with the towel looking more like the wrong way round. I like the 260 pinch twist at the top and the 160s underneath. There we go. So that ends up like that. You've now got to make the back legs. All right. So again, it's the same. With this one, I've got 8 fingers uninflated. So 8 fingers. You need 2 1-finger bubbles. And the knot goes around the second twist. Take the knot over the top, and we then squeeze the air. You need a 4-finger bubble and a 2.5-finger bubble. This twist goes around a pinch twist. Do it a couple of times, make sure it stays there. 3-finger bubble, 1.5-finger bubble for a pinch twist. So this twist goes around there, do it like this one. Just gently pull that away to take the pressure off the friction as you do it. Another 3-finger bubble, 2 more 1-finger bubbles, which you're going to pinch twist. So these 2 go together over the top, and then you need another 4-finger bubble and a 2.5-finger bubble, and the 2.5 goes around a pinch twist. Wrap that around a few times, if you're going to use the rest of this balloon. Alright, so get rid of that, your favourite method. Whatever you do, don't use your teeth. Alright, now on mine, at the moment, I've got a 3-finger uninflated. I've got a little bit of air out, there you go. So I've now got about a 4-finger uninflated. Alright, so you can start again with another balloon, but I'm just trying to show you how to make it out of the, as least balloons as possible. So you tie the knot around the 2-fold twists, it around a couple of times. Alright, there we go. Then you're going to do 1.5 finger bubbles. So, and probably four should see you about right. Do 4 of those around there. And then you come back with another 4. So about 1.5 finger bubbles. So there you go, there's your 4. And that goes round to the front to fold twist again. There we go. Sort of sitting like this. Right, now you've got to attach your the legs underneath. So I'll do a 1 finger bubble, 1 finger bubble there, and then that goes round your the centre pinch twist on your legs. Right. And then have a 3 finger bubble, and that goes round the back legs. And then we need a 1 finger bubble for the last bit. So I'm just going to deflate that in your favourite method. As you can see, you can just about get it out of the balloons. It's a little bit on the tight sides, but you can if you stretch the balloon as well at the beginning. We have a 1 finger bubble after the back legs, and that attaches around the 3 pinch twists at the back of your lizard. Wrap that around, make sure it's nice and secure, and then put your pinch twist in the centre, and then you've got to sort these legs out so that they. I like to have the 4 finger bubble out on the outside and the 2.5 finger bubble on the inside. Right, there you go. And that's that side. Sort this side out. There. Oh, no. Didn't get rid of my excess balloon now, so we get rid of that. Move that away. Right, all look nice and neat and tidy, don't we? And this towel, you can just you can slightly adjust it. You know, I think it just looks nice to have it curled up like that. So this is what he's looking like, and underneath, looking like this. All right, as I said, you might just when you're out and about want to do fold twists here, because it, you know, I don't think it sort of takes away too much from the design. Now you want to put his eyes in. So his eyes, I did on the ones I showed you at the beginning. One was white and one was yellow. So I've gone with yellow. So it's a 3 finger bubble, and you split this in half, and then you've got to twist it about 10 times because you want some slack between these 2 eyes. So give it a good, you know, so that you can see there is slack there, which is going to go between the 260. All right, and tie the other end up. And again, don't tie it too tight because you do want some slack there. And just make sure I've got some slack there. I think that's okay. Let's I'll cut the excess off and then I'll show you. Oh, there you go. Right. Oh, under that. So you have got some. You can pull this apart. You see, so you've got excess top and bottom there, and you put this under the 260 here. So over your 260. Put that underneath. And then you can push the eyes in so that they're large or small, whichever you prefer. Put mine a little bit. There we go. So he's, I think I do prefer the yellow eyes actually. And then we just get the pen, and I just go up and down on these. So there we go. It says he goes up and down, and it's a bit wonky. Anyway. I'm sure you'll take your time and get better eyes than I've just put on whatever. There we go. I'm saying it's a lizard, it might be an iguana, mightn't it? So this one is too a bit. Goodness, I can't even draw black circles about the same, can I? And you might want a couple of dots for. I'm not quite sure, but anyway. So this is what we've done so far. All right. Now, if you want to put a tongue on. Alright, I cut this like at a 45-degree angle this way, and then about a 6 finger, you want a 6 finger uninflated length, and then I cut it at a 45-degree angle the other way. So let me just hold this up to show you. So you've got about a 45. Oh, that one's not quite, is it? Let's. I'm going to put a little bit more on that one because it's. Hang on, try and get about the same. There we go. All right. So it is about a 6-finger bubble, and then that goes underneath your on your pinch twist. You just hold that in place. Wrap that round one side. Wrap it around the other. It's harder than what I thought there. Trying to hold it up in front of the camera, but there we go. And there we go. So there is our, what we've got, there we go. So there he is. Alright, so here's our lizard or iguana or design for you. Thanks for watching, and hope it's of use, and if you could tell a few people about BalloonTube, it would be appreciated. So it's bye from me, and it's bye from the lizard, and it's cheerio. Right, thanks a lot, bye. There you go, thanks.